Hi, today I've ready for your Realme GT 2 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out first from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click to manage accounts on this device. Select this account and to tap on the right upper corner to these three dots. Then click remove account. Once again confirm it if you get some unlock methods. You should just protect to verify that it's you. Unfortunately, and this is not my fingerprint here, so I'll use the pattern. And now we can see that in Google account settings we successfully log out from the Google account, and let's go back to the application, and in app we can see also that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.